Yo, what's up, people? This your boy P. Ross back in the building with another video. And yo, check this out, right? What we're gonna be talking about is the Seagull 1963 right here. Check that out. But more than that, check out that movement in the back. You know what I mean? It's fly. You know, the packaging is kind of cool too. Kind of like I want to say like a military S box, plastic. You know, and it came on the green military NATO, of course. And here's a warranty card and a cloth to clean it, and it came with a nice, all right looking leather strap, 2-piece. And guess what? It's quick release. But yo, let's get into the Seagull 1963. Well, would you look at this? Watches of Switzerland. Breitling coming soon to Kenwood Town Center. With the ST19 movement. Maybe the only choice currently for an affordable, fully mechanical chronograph movement. But it's also a great one, regardless of whatever else is on the market. It boasts features that chronographs several times its cost don't have, while remaining a relatively dependable calibre. Its history goes back to 1961, when Venus, a Swiss manufacturer, sold all of its equipment, including machinery, the blueprints for the watch, and the 175 caliber. Look, I don't want to mess this up. They sold it to the Tianjin watch factory. I hope I didn't mess that up too much. The Tianjin watch factory. Today, this modern watch has a higher beat rate of 21,600 BPHs and has been increased to 21 joules, as you can see right here. 21 joules. Okay, although chronograph tech requires more robust maintenance and service, is still a leading technology compared to Swiss, quartz, or anything else Chinese. In 1961, Project 304 assigned the task of developing and producing an Air Force chronograph to the Tianjin watch factory. Tianjin, of course, bought the caliber 175 machinery and designs from Venus, then upgraded the original 17 joule movement. They completed their round of prototypes in 1963, and for whatever reason, who knows, this is what get added to the watch's name when collectors outside of China refer to it, the Seagull 1963. Inside of China, the watch is named after the project and is called the 304 Air Force chronograph. Overall, the Seagull 1963 is considered to many to be one of the best watches for the price in the category that it's in. The ST19 movement vibrating at 21,600 BPHs, 21 joules, a diameter of 40 millimeters, thickness 13.5 millimeters, water resistance 50 meters with the sapphire crystal, and a 45-hour power reserve. A lot of things can be said negative about the Chinese watch market, but I would like to point out that the Seagull 1963 or the 304 Air Force chronograph is legit as hell. With the movement having history and heritage from most people I know, it is definitely respected. You know what I mean? It's a great watch. I'm enjoying it. I think that dial colorway is dope. You know, like that champagne dial. This is one hell of a watch to compete with, and for a chronograph. You know what I mean? So yo, this your boy P. Ross, and we're about to get up out of here. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know what I mean? And don't fret, the SoCal Watch Reviews podcast is coming back, and we are definitely going to be in the motherfreaking building. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm out. Peace.